In today's video, I'm going to show you how to pull API data into Google Sheets using the API connector. Whether you're tracking cryptocurrency, stock prices, or any other live data, or you simply want to automate data collection without manually copying and pasting, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Google Sheets and go to the Extensions menu at the top. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Add-ons, then click Get Add-ons. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace where we'll install the API connector add-on. Next, click on the search bar and type API connector. Once you see it in the results, click on it and follow the prompts to install. After installation, close the Marketplace and return to your sheet. Go back to Extensions, hover over Mixed Analytics, and then select API connector to open it. You'll see the panel appear on the right-hand side. This is where all the magic happens. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you have the URL of the API you want to pull data from. Check if the API requires authentication and have a target sheet ready for the data. Doing this beforehand can save you time and prevent unnecessary issues. Once you've completed these steps, click Create Request in the API Connector panel. Paste the API URL into the field, for example. We'll use CoinGecko's API to pull cryptocurrency data. Set authorization to none, headers to none, choose your destination sheet, and give your request a name like Crypto Coins. After that, click Save and then Run. You should see data load directly into your sheet with Bitcoin, symbol, image, current price, market cap, and market cap rank all automatically. It's also a good idea to schedule automatic updates if your API supports it. Taking this extra step ensures your sheet always reflects the latest data without having to run the request manually every time. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to pull API data into Google Sheets easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be trying to automate their data. Why not make someone's day easier?